Alright, I got some ground beef in here, seasoning it up. Got some celery, green pepper. Got some mushrooms. I gotta cut up an onion yet. We got some Italian sausage and some herbs and spices, some organic tomatoes, organic mushrooms. Those are organic as well. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a chili on the grill. You guys want chili, so I'm gonna do chili. Alright. I've got to cut up the onion yet. And then we're going to be good to go. More coming. Alright, let's look at the chili. Cooking on the grill. There's the one pot. And there's the other one. These are the ones I've got on the grill. Get the smoke flavor and everything else in it. And I got one in the kitchen with no beans for Leona and Dakota. They don't like beans. I love beans. Alright, so it's cooking at 300 degrees, which is good. So I can't see with the sun in my eyes and reflecting off of this camera. I can't see. Alright, well, let's go into the kitchen. Hey, shake 'em. Hey, Linus. Alright. And then we got this one cooking in here. No beans. Maybe I can get some little light on that. There we go. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. All right, on that plate is some fresh organic chopped chives, rosemary, and thyme. And I know the old song, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. I'm not going to have any sage in there, but I'll have parsley, rosemary, and thyme in there. But I've got ground beef that I'm going to be making some burgers on the grill. Got some more ground beef chilling out. But I'm going to be doing burgers on the grill, seasoned up. And I'm going to try some new hardwood charcoal that I'll get back to on the next video. Baked beans too. Alright, getting the grill fired up. My cooking panel there. Of course, like always, only one side of the grill getting cooked, so I can slow cook my burger over here. And then once it's slow cooked, I throw it over here, get the flames going again. I can char broil it. Get some char on the outside. Yeah, let's get the grill fired up. It's a burger day today, baby. Burger day today. Okay, there's the burgers seasoned up. You can see they got chives, pink Himalayan sea salt, organic onion powder, the parsley. It's got thyme, rosemary. Got some garlic powder in there. And that's all we got in there. Now let's get it in the grill. Okay. We're going to put them on the grill. And they're cooking, but they're smoking up a storm. I had to clean the outside of that grill yet. The inside I keep pretty clean. Get that flavor in them burgers. Hardwood smoke. Make the neighborhood smell so good. Who does not like to walk down a neighborhood and smell that? Get you hungry just smelling it. And it's right about 320. Yeah, 325. It's at 325. Getting them cooking. Flames are gonna pop up real soon. Yowza, I can't see squat. Too much smoke. Feel like a fireman. Oh yeah, they're getting there. Let's get those flames out. I'm doing some potatoes. I want to be doing them a little different. I got to boil them up, soften them up. So I moved all the meat over here so the potatoes can be over the fire. And get the flame on the potatoes. Cook those. And I'm leaving the lid open so I can keep some flame on the potatoes to boil them. Get them started to boil anyway. The beauty of cast iron pans and pots is that you can put them right on a grill, you can put them in an oven, you can put them on the stove, it doesn't make any difference. Just don't grab it, the handle. I love my cast irons. Right now all you got there is potatoes with pink Himalayan sea salt and some diced onions in it. And when it's after they soften up a bit, I'm going to bring out some butter. I'll dump the water and I'll put them back in the pot and the pan there, and I'll put butter in, melt butter, and add some parsley to it. And they'll be delicious. The onion flavor of the parsley will be perfect. And these are all seasoned up. They have Worcestershire sauce, and they've got some pink Himalayan sea salt, not much, some garlic, some onion powder, A1. I got some A1 that's in it. I let it marinate a little bit in A1. What else did I put in it? Oh, I don't even remember now. I'd have to go look. But I taste it as I'm putting it together, so I know what the flavor is going to taste like. That way I don't over flavor something. Looks like a campfire, doesn't it? Alright, I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to leave my flute open and my chimney open and keep some heat going good. Potatoes. I decided to go with chives instead of parsley on them. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Get some more chives in there. And I figure throw some bacon in, give it some added flavor. So we got chives, potatoes, and butter with some bacon added. Now I'm going to stir that up. Now I got the smoke and all that in there, so what I'm going to do is move it over to the propane to bring it down on the heat, because I don't want it to get, I want some to be mushy, to have a little texture into the potatoes. Oops, see, we dropped one. Good, I got to taste that one. Alright, 1 second here. Potatoes done. They're delicious too. That one that dropped, oh man, I tried to pick it up with my hands. It was hot. I bounced it around in my hands. Put it in my mouth. I fell out my mouth back into my hands. I caught it down low, and then I grabbed it and put it back in my mouth. It fell out again. I caught it before it hit the ground again. I put it back in my mouth and I ate it, and boy, was that good.